You think going on your first cruise is simple? You book it. You show up. The ship takes care of everything. You're wrong. Cruise ships are not hotels that float. They're controlled systems with rules, pressure points, and silent costs that punish first-timers who don't know how the game actually works. And if you skip this video, the consequences aren't small. Missed embarkation windows, extra charges you didn't plan for, ruined first days, crowded experiences you thought you have paid to avoid. But if you watch this all the way through, you'll board calmer, move smarter, spend less, and avoid the mistakes almost everyone makes on their first cruise. This is what I wish I knew about cruise ships before my first cruise, laid out as a step-by-step, phase-based checklist in the exact order you need it. Stay with me. Skipping ahead will cost you. Phase 1. Before you ever leave home. Expectation reset step 1. Understand what your ticket really includes. Your cruise fare does not mean everything is included. It means transportation, basic food, and a room. That's it. Why this matters is simple. Most first-timers mentally spend money twice. Once when booking, and again on board without realizing it. If you skip this mindset reset, you'll be shocked by drink packages, specialty dining, Wi-Fi fees, gratuities, excursions, and daily add-ons that quietly stack up. Pro tip, assume anything optional costs extra unless it's clearly stated as included. If you budget with that rule, you'll never feel blindsided on board. Step 2. Stop thinking the ship waits for you. Cruise ships do not wait. Not for traffic, not for flights, not for excuses. If you arrive late to the port, the ship leaves. Your luggage stays. Your money is usually gone. This matters because many first-time cruisers fly in the same day as embarkation. One delayed flight can end the entire trip. Pro tip, arrive in the port city at least one day early. That single hotel night protects thousands of dollars in your peace of mind. Phase 2, embarkation day. First impressions that actually matter. Step 3, ignore the excitement and inspect your cabin immediately. The moment you enter your cabin, do a quick inspection. Check the bathroom, check outlets, check the safe, check for cleanliness issues. Why this matters is leverage. Problems reported on day 1 are treated differently than problems reported later. If you skip this, small issues turn into "we'll see what we can do" instead of fast fixes or compensation. Pro tip, take quick photos of any issues as proof. You may never need them, but they shift the power balance in your favor. Step 4, unpack strategically, not emotionally. Do not unpack everything right away. Your luggage may arrive late. Your cabin might need adjustment. Storage is tighter than you expect. If you unpack blindly, you'll waste time reorganizing in a space designed for efficiency, not comfort. Pro tip, unpack only essentials first, learn the cabin flow, then commit. Cruise cabins reward minimalism. Phase 3. First 24 hours on board, system setup. Step 5. Handle safety and logistics before fun. The safety drill is not optional. Neither is understanding your muster station. Why this matters is simple. Emergencies don't wait for your vacation mood. If you skip paying attention, you won't know where to go or what to do when stress is high. Pro tip, once the drill is done, walk your escape route once. It takes 2 minutes and removes anxiety for the rest of the trip. Step 6, lock down your daily rhythm early. Cruise ships run on schedules. Dining times, show reservations, port schedules. If you drift through day 1, you'll miss prime bookings and settle for leftovers. Pro tip, on day 1, book shows, specialty dining, and excursions you care about. Popular slots disappear fast. Phase 4, money management, where first-timers lose control. Step 7, understand how onboard spending really works. Your room key is your wallet. Every swipe feels painless. That's intentional. Why this matters is psychological. You spend more when you don't feel the money leaving. If you skip tracking, your final bill will hurt more than any rough sea. Pro tip, check your onboard account daily. Small corrections early prevent big surprises later. Step 8, gratuities are not optional in practice, even if technically removable. Gratuities are part of the system. Skipping them creates awkward service gaps and uncomfortable conversations. Pro tip, decide before boarding whether you'll prepay or adjust later. Don't make that decision emotionally at the end. Phase 5, food reality, abundance with hidden limits. Step 9, not all of free food is equal. Main dining rooms and buffets are included, but quality varies by time and crowd level. If you eat reactively, you'll experience long lines and average meals. Pro tip, learn off-peak dining times. Early or late meals are calmer, faster, and often better. Step 10. Specialty dining is not about luxury. It's about control. Specialty restaurants aren't just better food. They're quieter, faster, and more predictable. If you skip them entirely, you may spend your vacation fighting crowds instead of relaxing. Pro tip: even one specialty meal can reset your mood mid-cruise. Phase 6. Sea days where boredom or burnout happens. Step 11. Plan sea days loosely, not rigidly. Sea days overwhelm first-timers because everything happens at once. If you overschedule, you'll feel rushed. If you underplan, you'll feel lost. Pro tip: pick one anchor activity per sea day. Everything else stays optional. Step 12. Learn where the ship empties out. Every ship has quiet zones most passengers never find. Why this matters is mental recovery. Constant stimulation exhausts you. Pro tip: upper decks early morning and late evening are gold for calm space. Phase 7. Port days. The biggest first-timer mistake. Step 13. The ship's schedule matters more than the port's. Port times are strict. Local time confusion causes missed departures. If you lose track of ship time, you can be left behind. Pro tip: keep your watch or phone set to ship time, not local time. Step 14. Ship excursions. Trade freedom for safety. Ship excursions cost more but protect you if delays happen. Independent tours are cheaper but riskier. Pro tip: on your first cruise, mix both. Use ship tours and ports with tight schedules. Phase 8. Energy management. The invisible skill. Step 15. Cruising is more tiring than it looks. Walking, motion, crowds, late nights. It adds up. If you don't pace yourself, you'll crash mid-trip. Pro tip: short afternoon breaks save entire evenings. Step 16. Motion sickness is easier to prevent than cure. Even calm seas affect first-timers. If you wait until you feel sick, recovery takes longer. Pro tip: bring medication and start early. Prevention beats reaction. Phase 9. Final days. Protecting the landing. Step 17. Don't mentally check out before disembarkation. The last night matters. Fills finalize. Luggage instructions matter. If you rush this, you risk delays and lost items. Pro tip: pack calmly and double-check your account before sleeping. And Step 18. Disembarkation is not a race. It's a system everyone wants off early. That creates bottlenecks. If you choose the wrong time slot, you'll stand and wait. Pro tip: unless you have a tight flight, choose a later, calmer exit. Phase 10. Traps to avoid. Learn from other people's mistakes. 1. Thinking the cruise staff will remind you of everything important. They won't. You are responsible for timing. 2. Overpacking. You'll wear fewer outfits than you think. 3. Chasing every activity. The ship is designed to overwhelm you. 4. Ignoring fine print. Policies matter more than promises. And 5. Assuming your first cruise experience represents all cruising. Ships, lines, and routes vary massively. If this video saved you from even one mistake, imagine what the rest of the channel can do for you. Now I want to hear from you. What's the one thing you're most nervous about on your first cruise? Money, motion, crowds, or missing something important? Drop it in the comments. I read them all. If you found this helpful, like the video. It tells the algorithm this content actually matters.